And welcome back to Driver's Talk. Rick Titus, Jay Dalton, Spencer Crick, and our boss, Greg Stacy, for a segment you labeled Hit the Gas or Sniffing Gas. Scary.
Well, let's give a little recap of last week to see where you gentlemen are. Can you cue that up, Spencer?
16.5 and for a no sale.
I'm going to go 17 for a no sale.
Okay.
Some fool's just going to have the thing and pay foolish
thing
money.
Is, we may be the fools in this because that may still have enough collectability.
I think the key words there, the takeaway words, were said by Mr. Jay Dalton. We may be the fools.
I knew it. I knew this wasn't going to end well.
No, just, can you smell that?
Yeah.
I think you guys have been doing a little huffing.
How far wrong did we go?
How far wrong? That's like saying, is like getting a D+, does that mean you're extra dumb? Or does that mean you are almost at a C? So let's find out.
Wow. And that was a sale.
It was a sale. It actually sold for 23. Congratulations on this contest. Both of you were sniffing gas.
The best part about this, G-Man, is that you've come up with something that's kind of challenging here. And I have a feeling you have even more challenging cars for us this week.
Yeah, well, we're going to queue up another car. You guys probably are more familiar with this than myself.
We like this.
Yeah,
So we have a 1971 Lotus Elan Sprint.
Lotus Elans didn't change a lot.
They didn't.
From 64 all the way through, I think they built them all the way until the mid-70s. They didn't change a lot. This happens to be very, very carefully taken apart, put back together again, and beautifully detailed. There are so many weird things that can happen with this car. The first thing I would do is I'd pull those seats forward and I'd look to see if a half shaft has come undone and come through the bodywork. That's item one.
You know what I noticed, though? Even the trunk lid and the doors, they don't seem like they align properly. I don't know if they're that way from the factory. It's a fiberglass body, correct?
Greg, you're very astute with that. They will never line up. The hinges are completely flimsy on this.
I actually thought the fit and finish was pretty good for an Elan on this one.
Tell me about the motor. I mean, it looks gorgeous. It looks like it's got dual Webers, dual overhead camshafts.
Dual overhead cams. It was an early Ford engine, the 1600 cross-flow engine. The most important thing that I would want to know is who has done the mechanicals. By the look of this car, I'd be more likely to think that it's a famous engine builder that's been on top of this one.
Look at the red stitching on that leather dash. You can't beat that, folks.
Yeah,
you
no,
can't
this thing
beat
is
that.
good.
It's gorgeous. Gorgeous car. Love it. So, Mr. Dalton.
I'm going to say 75. I think it's going to sell.
I'm going to go $60,000, and it's going to be close on the sale.
All right, well, let's see if those numbers are better than last week. So we'll find out on our next episode who hits the gas and who's sniffing gas.
I don't like that smirk, I got to
He's
tell you.
having fun.
He is having fun, but we do enjoy this Bring a Trailer segment. That said, please join us right after this quick break for Molly's Fast and Fabulous.